Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop, bringing you another video, another update. So we're still holding on. So for those of you that had enough equity to survive, gold's crazy pushes last week due to two big news events, I'm still holding on to my trades as well, just as, letting the bot cost average and do its thing and hoping that this is the high, right? So I'm already seeing like a triple top, 3 hits to the high of the week. So hopefully it drops from here coming into tomorrow. Hopefully it drops from there, but I'm still holding on to my trades. I haven't closed it out, and we'll see what happens there. But on to bigger and better news. So although, like I was saying in my last video, although the bot, has been doing well, it doesn't do well when it comes to these big spikes. So that's what led me to say, you know what, I need to take the onus and, wake up in the morning. As much as, I love my sleep, wake up in the morning to trade, and I'll let you guys copy my signal. So I'm already at 3%, trading, manually. So let me just go ahead and show you that. So this morning I caught two beautiful trades. So one was on AUD JPY. I caught this trade right here, and that was my entry right over here. And why did I enter there? Because I saw a peak here. So for those of you that do know, like, the beat the market maker method, which is the method that I like to trade, and I'm proficient at it, I saw this big peak structure here. So I already knew I was looking for a buy, right? I was looking for an entry to get into a buy situation, which I got in right here, and I caught it for 50 pips. Okay, I caught it for 50 pips. And then I also in GA, so pound AUD, I caught a nice W structure here. Another buy over here. This one I caught for what, 176 pips. So if you're a forex trader and you're like, oh my goodness, that's a crazy amount of pips. I mean, for me it's not, right? For me it's not, because it's easy when you really truly know the method. It's easy to catch these moves here. And you don't have to know. The beautiful thing about copying my trades is you don't have to know the method, right? You don't even have to know how to trade. All you simply do is you fund your account, and whenever I place trades in my own account, you will get the same trades, okay? So those two beautiful trades I got, one for 50 pips, one for 175 pips. So altogether 225 pips made this morning. Not too bad, and that's a 3% growth in my account. So if I flip over to, where is it, my FX book, you can see here my account. I loaded it with 4 grand, and I've made 3% on it already. And this is the first trade-in day. So this is the first day trade that I've taken. So I loaded on the 14th, but today is the first trade. So day 1, 3%, not bad at all. Not bad at all. My monthly target for this is gonna be between 30 to 50% a month. Well, actually, let's say 30 to about 50, maybe 60% a month is my target that I'm hoping to make with this. So what's the minimum to copy the signal? So I call it the prosper signal, right? Prosper signal, because we're all hoping to prosper and, also make 2023 a really great year. The minimum, I'd say 200, at least have $200 in there. If you're flat out broke, and all you can do is $100, that's fine. All right. But try to have at least a minimum of $200 in there. I will have stop losses in place. So, and I'll try to keep the drawdown low. So right now, look at my drawdown, 2.76%, right? I'll try to keep it under 10%. That's my target. And, guys, I've been trading Forex for a while, right? People are like, people think, some people ignorant, think that, oh, Alex makes his money through affiliate commissions. No, I don't. I'm a good trader, and my primary business is forex trading, right? All the other stuff, the hip stuff and the DAP stuff, all that was second nature. But I'm going back to my bread and butter, which is forex trading. And you guys have inspired me to get up again at the wee hours of the morning, 3 a.m., to look for these opportunities. And to show you, like, just as an example here, right? I'll show you on a more aggressive account, right? On a more aggressive account, I'll show you what I was able to do this morning, right? So this account here was $100, and it's now $419, and that's only after a day, right? So I was able to 3x this account. But this account is more aggressive. So it's not the account that you're going to be copying, because it's just crazy aggressive, right? And I was using a 5 pip stop, right? 5 pip stop to try to catch the low. And it took me 3 tries, right? On the 4th try, I got the very low of this move. And I rolled it to 266 pips. 266 pips with a 5 pip stop loss, right? Again, if you're into the forex market and you know about the forex market, it's crazy to catch any move with a 5 pip stop loss, right? So I've trained myself to do it. And so I rode all the way to the top here. Exited right here, literally at the point that it was gonna reverse. I exited, caught the move down for another 94 pips. Could I caught it all the way down here if I had just removed my take profit? But I said, you know what, let me not be greedy, let me just catch it here for about 90 pips. So in that move alone, it was literally like what, 265 plus what, 90, about a 330 pip move, right? Roughly around there. And I was able to, here, I'll go to my account history here so you can see. I deposited $103 into this account. And these are a couple losses here, $5 losses. So I was risking $5 per trade to make, 3x my account this morning. So I'll show you that here. Percentage increase of 103 to 419. Percentage is 303%, right? And honestly, this is not the account that we're copying. This is just to show you that I know what I'm doing. Okay, I know what I'm doing. So GA, really nice grab. And I'll show you my losses as well this morning, right? So USD JPY, I had a couple of losses in USD JPY. Let me just go ahead and move that up. Let's see, where is my there we go. All right, USD JPY and 3. So I had 3 losses in USD JPY. Otherwise, I would have even made more than 3% this morning. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the 3. Let me get this away. Yeah, so I had initially placed a buy order here, projecting that this was gonna go up, but instead it came and it took me out, and then I re-entered again here and it took me out again. So they'll be losing and winning trades, but the whole key is to make my winning trades bigger than my losing trades. Okay, so that's the whole key here, and that's why this account started at $4,000. Now it's $4,120, guys. So this is what you're copying here. Okay, so this is more conservative. It's just safer, right? It's just a safer account to copy. Again, this is not financial advice. If you choose to copy the signal, you choose to copy it at your own risk. You just have to give a little disclaimer there. But there will be no profit split for this, guys, for until January 15. Okay, so there won't be any profit split until January 15. And that's my way of giving back, to say, you know what, I wish the golden ticket bot had done a little bit better. But it didn't do as well as we wanted. And some people that had lower accounts had blown. So I said, you know what, let me manually trade, for these guys and allow them to copy the trade and make some money. Okay. So until January 15, there's no profit split. You can copy this signal for free. Okay. If the only thing I ask is that when you're in MVFX, create a new account and load up money there. Don't copy this signal to the existing golden ticket account that you have. Don't copy it to the existing account, because we want fresh data, fresh results and everything. And you don't want to take from the leverage that the golden ticket bot is using. So you want to create a fresh account. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So in MVFX, what you want to do is you want to go to My Accounts, okay? And you want to click on MVFX MT4 ECN. Click the currency as, USD is what I use, and leverage as 500, and then you click Create Account, okay? So create a brand new account within MVFX, and then go to deposit at least 200, right? Do what you can do. Like if you can do more, great. But if 200 is all that you can afford to do, or 100 is all that you can afford to do, fine. But the more, the better. Okay. All right. So then you choose your way that you're going to deposit, and then deposit the money. So it's the same instructions as before, and I'll have the link to the instructions below this video. But you pretty much, if you've already, registered and done the KYC, you can skip this part of it. You can skip these steps until you get to the deposit part. So then go ahead and deposit again and create a new trading account here. Okay, so you create the account. It's going to email you the account details so you can add it into Social Trader. Okay, so once you have your money here that you have deposited, you need to go to internal transfer and transfer wallet to MetaTrader into the new account that you just created. Okay, and then you click request transfer. Okay, and all those steps are right here, from make a deposit. So if you already are on golden ticket, create a new account, make a deposit, and internally transfer the money into that new account. Then link it in Social Trader to the Prosper signal. Okay. All right. So you would make a deposit, do that. Then you would create the new account, and then you can internally transfer the funds to that new account. And then you can then log into Social Trader. Okay, log into Social Trader. If you've already purchased the hosting, then you don't have to repurchase the hosting again, because you already have the hosting and you have a second account that you can add to it, right? Because it gave you two hosting accounts. All right, so then you can add your account, the account that you just created from MVFX. You can add that to Social Trader. So you literally just follow the same steps again. All right, so you add that account to Social Trader, and then you will use the link. So this is the link. Sorry, I skipped it. This is the link here for the Prosper signal. So you use this link to follow the signal. Okay, to follow my signal. To copy my trades. Okay, so you can copy my trades free until January 15. Then this will convert to an 80-20 profit split going forward from that date. So after January 15, then I'll convert it to an 80-20 profit split. But until then, you can copy it for free. Okay. All right, so that's pretty much it. You can run through the guide again to set up the copy trade and everything. So you just go step by step through the guide, to set it up to copy the Prosper signal. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to just, you know, kind of talk to you about, oh man, I'm glad I exited here, man, because it came all the way back down. So yeah, that's what I just wanted to talk to you about, that I'll be manually trading, and now you have the opportunity to copy my trades and make some money with it. Okay. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Telegram. But other than that, guys, God bless. Let's make that money. All right. Take care. Bye.